In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enter codes in Murder Mystery 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily redeem any codes available for Murder Mystery 2, and it's going to work for any platform where you can play the experience. So I am doing this on PC, but you will be able to follow these steps on console and also mobile. So what you have to do is go over to your inventory. So instead of heading over to the shop where you can find most items, you have to go over to your inventory. Now I'm going to the loading screen here, but after it is done, once you go into your inventory, if you look at the bottom right corner, you will find the option to enter a code, and you will notice that for you to find the code redemption, you have to go over to weapons, so keep that in mind. Make sure that you select weapons. It seems like there aren't code options for any of the other items here, and as long as you input the code here, you will be able to click redeem and get the code working. So this is all you have to do. Afterwards, you will receive your rewards and you are ready to claim any items from those codes. Unfortunately, I don't have a code to display at the moment, but all you have to do is click redeem like I mentioned. Once it is done, you should see the item appear in your inventory and you can manage it however you wish. You can browse through items in the shop if you prefer, but like I said, the option to redeem is only available when you open your inventory and you look at the bottom right corner of the weapons category. It seems like you cannot do it through the shop, and I cannot guarantee that you will be able to get a lot of items or emotes from those codes. If I had one of those codes to distribute to you, I would happily do so, but unfortunately I don't have access to any and I can't even show you an example. But regardless, this is all you have to do. Like I said, it is true for every single platform because the inventory window will always be available over here to the left. So go into your inventory and enter the code here. I hope I was able to help you on how to enter codes in Murder Mystery 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.